Hey guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today Apple has released another beta for iOS 13.3. Today releasing beta 3 for the software. Now this is an indication that Apple is quickly ramping up production on iOS 13.3, and this software aims to bring improvements to the battery, some UI changes, also changes to screen time, and so forth. We'll go over some of the details of everything you can expect. We're also going to talk about when we can expect this software to be released to everyone worldwide. Now, the third beta for iOS 13.3 may also include additional fixes and changes that we saw yesterday as a public release with iOS 13.2.3. Apple released the software and it brought improvements to system search as well as mail, files, and notes, also improvements to messages and the emails application overall. So the third beta for iOS 13.3, of course, should bring these improvements as well. So when you get this software in your hands, these improvements that we saw before should be added here with the new release. Now, Apple today released this beta for developers, public beta testers. You'll most likely see this a few hours from now, or maybe by the time you watch this video is already out for public beta testers. And the software came in at 188 megabytes on this device from beta 2 to beta 3. It could range anywhere from 150 to 250 depending on which device you're using and the beta that you're coming from. Now, of course, you can head on over to general software updates and you'll see the latest beta populate if you're in the developer beta program or the public beta testing program. And the latest build number is 17C5046. Now, iOS 13.3 aims to bring improvements to screen time. Now, under screen time settings with the latest iOS 13.3, you'll see a new category called communication limits. We talked about this on my initial coverage. This will allow you to set communication limits on any device that you're monitoring with the screen time. Now, it's also minor improvements here to some of the UI elements, such as AirPods UI on the widgets, and we've also seen improvements to transfer to HomePod. This feature is working perfectly on my device, which was not working properly before. I've also noticed a snappy control center and notification center with iOS 13.3. I've also noticed that the app switcher just sort of jumped into place a lot quicker than it was before. So a good indication that it looks like iOS 13.3 is a very, very polished software. Now, when can we expect this software to be released to everyone worldwide? Well, as we see a new beta every single week, it means Apple is closer to an official release, as I previously mentioned. We could see the official final release for iOS 13.3 as early as December the 2nd or the 3rd, of course, because it would be a Monday or a Tuesday. We could see this software be released to everyone worldwide. And as I mentioned, minor improvements are coming to this software, including some of those screen time settings and improvements to the UI, as well as the performance. Hopefully, the battery also gets improved with this one. And of course, I'll be following up on this developer beta because we're hoping Apple to improve battery overall on every single device. I know it's a big complaint for many users, but as of right now, those are some of the minor changes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.